Good morning, SciTech. This week, we're going to focus on the value of reflect. And today, I want you to really think about reflect as in, we think about all answers. And I really want you to think about two things today. First, do I have the right answer? Now, this can be when you write something down. It could be when your teacher asks a question and you're thinking about it. It could also be when you actually give an answer out loud. You want to think about, do I have the right answer? And then the second thing I want you to think about is, does one of my teammates have the right answer? Because we talked a lot about how we can learn from our teammates, and when we track our teammates, when we listen to our teammates, we also can learn from them. And so if you don't have the right answer, your teammate might have the right answer, and then you can learn from them. And so again, today we're really focused on thinking about whether or not we have the right answer. And if we don't, what can we do to make sure that we get the right answer? We're going to talk more about that the rest of this week. So what are some ways that you can get caught reflecting today so that way you can be highlighted in Friday's video? It's been really nice to see so many students getting caught observing the values so that we can highlight them on Fridays. Couple things that you can do today. One, when a teammate gives you an answer, show whether you agree or disagree using your signals. If you don't remember what the signals are, ask your teacher what you can do to show agreement or disagreement silently. Another thing you can do is when a teammate does something really well, you can give them a knock or you can zap them up, and this also shows that you're thinking about your answer and your teammate's answer. Now, when the teacher puts an answer on the board or tells you an answer out loud, a big thing that you should do is check your work. It is always super important to ask yourself, is that the same answer I got? So that way, when we talk about ways to fix your answers, you will at least know what your answer is. And then finally, if you have extra time during a prove it, or if you have extra time during an assignment, go over your work. We should never be sitting there not doing anything or just drawing because we think we're done. We should always check our work. It never ever hurts to always go over your work. I hope you guys have a great Monday.